Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today I will tell you the conversion that is from fraction to decimals and from decimal to fraction. Yes, firstly I am going to tell you fraction to decimal. If a fraction is given to us and we have to write that fraction in the form of decimal number, then how to write that? Here there will be two steps for this conversion. First step is there, write the numerator of given fraction and remove the denominator. Yes, then second step is there, count as many places in numerator from the right as many zeros given in the denominator yes, and put the decimal. Now I am going to explain this. Yes, how to put the decimal. Yes, firstly, if a fraction is given to us, then first step is there, don't write the denominator, only write the numerator. From that fraction, write only the numerator. No need to write the denominator, we will write only numerator. Denominator we will use to put the decimal. Yes, how to use that? Yes, count as many places in the numerator from the right as many zeros given in the denominator. जितनी zeros होंगी denominator में right hand side से हमने उतने digit count करके decimal लगा देना है. See how I am giving you the examples. Yes, see how we can write this. For example, there is 445 over 1000. For example, this is the number, this is a fraction, and we have to convert this into decimal. First step is there, write the numerator. Here is numerator, this one. We will put the symbol of is equal to and we will write the numerator. We have written the numerator. Denominator we will not write. Yes, now how to put the decimal? Count as many places in the numerator from the right as many zeros given in the denominator. There you can see there are the 3 zeros in the denominator. We will count 3 places from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, and here will be the decimal. Yes, and decimal alone is not looking good, so here we will put one good looking 0. Yes, one good looking 0, and here 1 means decimal. Yes, and after 1 3 zeros are there, so after decimal 3 digits will be there. Like this we will convert the fractions into decimals. Yes, now we will do the sums of exercise 7.2. First sum, all the parts. Yes, you have to do in your fair notebook, and here I will tell you some of the sums as an example so that you can understand the concept properly. Yes, here first sum of the exercise 7.2. Yes, first sum is there beta, 7 upon 10, 7 over 10. We have to convert this into decimal. We will write only numerator. Yes, after 1 0 is there, so means after decimal 1 digit should be there. Yes, so here we will put one good looking 0. So like this, 7 over 10 is equal to 0.7. This is in fractional form, and now this is in decimal form. Yes, now This was A part. Now I will tell you D part. That is 225 over 100. We will write only numerator. Now we have to put the decimal. After 1, 2 zeros. So after decimal, 2 digits. After decimal, 2 digits means decimal will be here. It is 2.25. Yes. Now I am going to tell you G part. That is 374 over 10. Yes, we will write only numerator 374. Now we will use the denominator to put the decimal. Here you can see after 1 0 is there, means after decimal 1 digit will be there. So here we will put the decimal. 37.4 is the decimal form of 374 upon 10. Now I am going to tell you H part. Yes, there is 4 and 3 over 10. 4 and 3 over 10. Here how to do this sum? We will write 4. Yes, now 3 upon 10 will be converted into decimal. This part will be converted into decimal. In the rough work, 3 upon 10. Yes, now how to convert? What will be the decimal form of this? 3 will be written and after decimal 1 digit. So here decimal will be put. 0.3 is there. So after 4 we will write 0.3. Now it is 4.3. This is 4.3. Yes. Now I am going to tell you K part. That is 3 and 27 upon 100. Here we will write 3. Now 27 upon 100 will be converted into decimal. 27 upon 100. Yes, here we will write the numerator and the decimal will be after 2 digits. Means after decimal there should be the 2 digits. So here we will put the decimal 0.27. So here 3.27. 3.27 will be the decimal form of 3 and 27 over 100. Yes. Now L part is there and the sum is 4 and 172 upon 1000. Yes, we will write here 4. 170 upon 1000. This will be converted into decimal. Yes, now after decimal 3 digits should be there. So here 0.172. This will be the decimal form and we will write like this. Yes students, now the first concept, that fraction to decimal, how to convert fraction to decimal, that is complete. Now we will move to next concept and that is how to convert decimal number to the fraction. How to convert that? Yes, here you have to follow 3 steps. Here you have to follow 3 steps. First step is there, count the number of decimal places. Count the number of decimal places. Yes, after that second step is there, rewrite. Rewrite मतलब दोबारा लिखो. Rewrite the number without decimal. Without decimal. And the number that you will write without decimal, that will be, that is the numerator, because in fraction we need numerator and denominator. जब हम जो नंबर हमें डेसिमल वाला गिवन है, जब हम उसको विदाउट डेसिमल लिखेंगे, दैट विल बी द न्यूमिनेटर. तो हमारे पास न्यूमिनेटर आ जाएगा. देन वी हैव टू राइट द डिनोमिनेटर. यस, हाउ टू राइट द डिनोमिनेटर? दैट विल बी इन स्टेप नंबर 3. राइट द डिनोमिनेटर. Write the denominator one with as many zeros as decimal places. See how when we have written numerator, हमारे पास numerator आ जाएगा that is without decimal. तो हमने denominator क्या लिखना है, पहले हमने 1 लिख लेना है. Yes, we will write 1. और अब देखना है कि decimal के बाद जितने digits हैं उतनी हमने zeros 1 के साथ लगा देनी है. See how I will tell you with the help of the example firstly, then we will do the sums of that exercise. For example, the statement is 5.32. This is the decimal number and we have to write this into the fractional form. Yes, so firstly in the fraction we need numerator and denominator. We need numerator and denominator. What will be the numerator here? Without decimal it is 532. ये हमारे पास आ गया numerator. Yes, and the denominator, in the place of decimal we will write 1. Yes, in the place of decimal we will write 1, and after decimal you can see 2 digits are there, so after 1 2 zeros will be there. So this is the fractional form of 5.32. The fraction is 532 over 100. Yes, we need numerator and denominator, so both will be from here. Firstly, without decimal जो number हम लिखेंगे that will be the numerator, and with the help of the decimal we will find out the denominator. So this is the fraction. Yes, now how to do the sums? You will get more clear of this clarity of this concept by doing the sums. That is sum number 2 of exercise 7.2. Here is the express the following decimal numbers as fractions. A part is there 0.2. Yes, firstly we will write 0 2. हमने पूरे का पूरा नंबर हमने विदाउट डेसिमल लिख लेना है, एंड द डिनोमिनेटर in place of decimal we will write 1, and after decimal 1 digit, so after 1 1 0. So here we will ignore this and the fraction is 2 by 10. 0.2 decimal का जो fraction form है that will be 2 by 10. Yes, after that next is there 4.3. Yes, firstly we will write 43. Without decimal it is 43. We will write it, and in place of decimal 1, and after decimal 1 digits, so here 1 0. Yes, now I am going to tell you E part, that is 14.23. We will write numerator without decimal and the denominator here 1 0 and 0, because after decimal 2 digits, so after 1 2 zeros. Yes, now I am going to tell you H part, that is 12.127. Yes, so the numerator will be 12,127 upon here 1, and after decimal 3 digits 3 zeros. Like this. I hope you have understood the concept of this exercise, that is how to convert fractions to decimals and how to convert decimals to fractions. Yes, do the practice by doing the sums. Thanks and have a beautiful day.